Gold has achieved the milestones which we were looking forward to 2704 levels. Yesterday in my update, I have clearly mentioned that once 2685 levels, and in my weekly review, I have mentioned once 2660 is taken, we are looking forward to 2700 levels. Now it is struggling to stay above 2700, while interestingly, silver has traded with the contrast, and we have seen silver trading with a bearish bias. We have seen it sliding towards 3150. Though again 3150 has proven out to be a greater support. Yes, earlier it was the resistance, today it is acting as a support here. So now what to expect today from gold and silver? Interesting day ahead, because the inflation data coming in from US will definitely set the stage on fire. Be it on the upside or downside, it is definitely going to bring lot much of volatility. Thus, what to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames. The subscribe, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort, and friends, before leaving the video, do press the like button, do share and comment as well. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. First, look at the hourly charts of gold. What has happened? It was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has converged sharp. In fact, it has moved towards the 50 period and has retraced since then. Now you can see this 20 period moving average is proving out to be a very good support, and thus now on the downside we have to watch out how it behaves at 2685-88 zone. That is going to be the first support zone, and if it trades below 2685, we can again expect a slide on the downside. Though right now it appears we are getting a very good support from the 20 period moving average. The second thing here is the lower highs it is showing, and if you connect, this possibility exists that once it trades below 2685, chances will be high that we may see it moving towards 2674, 2670 zone. But right now I can see a good support coming in here for gold. If you look at the stochastic, this is retraced, while the MACD has crossed over here and it is trading with slight divergence, slight bearish bias looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone here. When you see the 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts, the earlier dip has got the support from 20 period, and we have seen prices reversing, prices bouncing back from the same levels. Now it is formed a support at around this zone and trying to reverse. I will wait for it to break past the preceding highs at 2704, 2705. In fact, even if you see it is staying above 2700, you can buy. Expect 2705, 2706 levels as the first target zone, and if this is taken, then 2712 and 272022 will appear. Possibility is there. Right now you can see the move here was just to take the support from the 20 period, and we have seen prices reversing. So far I will not say that it has turned bearish for the day. See, the moving averages are also trading with divergence and bullishness and looking upwards. Stochastic rising, the MACD here has crossed over. This is the one caution point for us, as this crossover has appeared after a good enough rise, and though it is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it has just crossed over, and it is going to be important where the current candle close and how the next one starts. Because see, if it starts on a bearish note, certainly we can see a little bit of slide on the downside. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts. One candle moving towards 20 period, trying to bounce back, and see, if you notice this, you will connect. Let's connect the lows here and let's connect the highs. This is how it has been trading, precisely hitting the bottom of the channel, trying to bounce back. But on the upside, now 2700 has become one greater hurdle for it to break past by, and thus you have to now wait. You have to wait for gold to trade about 2700 and 2706 levels, which will confirm its further bullishness today. See, the moving averages crossing over here and trading with divergence is certainly a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. MACD is in green. It has not yet crossed over. It is still trying to converge, but not yet crossing over. One can still expect further rise from here. The RSI is also very near to the overbought zone. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour charts, remember, this is a reversal sign. We have seen one candle, but if the next candle with the next candle, if the price is breaches beyond 270506, we can expect it to move towards higher highs, towards 2712, 2714, or in fact 2720, 2722 zone, which is going to be the next targets. Right now, yes, it is still not to be treated bearish, trading in this bullish channel, hitting the lows of the channel, trying to bounce back. Second thing here is the crossover in the moving average and the divergence of the prices here. Now, interestingly, if on the downside, if you see silver any point of gold any point of time trading below 2658.60, treat this as a reversal. And if it drops below 2650, consider that a price crash or price reversal is in cards, and you can look forward to 2620, 2600 very, very soon. 2650, 54, 58, 60, very good resistance will be, or I will say very good support will be seen at around 2650, 60 zone. Thus, in this zone, you need to trade with extra caution. If you look at the stock ISC, this has come out of the overbought zone. The MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also overbought here. Coming to the day. Now, before we move to the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, on the daily charts, there are a couple of ways to look at the data here. See, first of all, lower highs are seen here. This is very, very important. After the drop, a retracement. After the drop, a retracement. Now, it is very important for gold to trade first about 27.20.22, then about 27.33.35, and then 27.50. If these three levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to a move about 2800, but there are greater hurdles on the upside. Now let's focus on today's candle. As we have seen, it is delivering lower highs, and hence the current levels are crucial. Second thing is, after a bit of consolidation and retracement for the last 2 days, we have seen good bullish move. Now for the day, it has formed a tail, and now if it breaks beyond 27.0506, we can look forward to 27.10.12 as the, or rather I will say 27.12.14 as the first target zone, and 27.20.22 as the next. If 27.20.22 is taken, then you can say the bulls are here to stay, and in fact 27.35, 27.50 levels should be seen very, very, very soon. Stock IST rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is rising here as well. So looking at, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy 2700 levels. Expect 27.0506 first target, 27.12.14 the next, and then 27.20.22 the third. Beyond this, 27.33.35 should appear, and then 27.50 levels. Chances for such a stronger rise appears less, but yes, these are markets. Supportive data might take it to the highs here. On the downside, now you have to look at the flip side of the charts here. If it trades now below 27.85.88 zone, in fact, you can sell here at 27.90 levels itself, but then be extra careful till towards 27.85.84. And if that is taken, then you can say more bearishness should prevail. I will look forward to 27.80, 27.74. And if 27.74 is taken today, we will look forward to a greater correction. How far? Once one can expect 27.60, 27.54 or 50 levels as well. But the caution note here on the downside, specifically on the downside, is 27.50 and 60 zone. As long as 27.50 and 60, 26.50 and 60 zone is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish. Yes, it can show you swings, it can hit the lows at 26.50, 60 and bounce back. So if you're selling at 26.90 levels, be a little careful at around 26.84, 85 first support zone, 26.74, 75 the next support zone. Below this, you can say increase in bearishness to be seen. We can expect 26.65, 26.58, 60, 26.54 and 26.50 levels as the next targets. Below 26.50, bears will be taking over. Trade accordingly. Let's move to what's happening with silver. See, silver on the upside since yesterday, 32.10. Remember yesterday I have mentioned only buying entry in silver is above 32.10. So far 32.10 has proven out to be a wall here, and now on the downside it has come down towards the support zone at 31.50, 31.40. Now we know that 31.50 was the resistance earlier, and it is now going to be the prime support here. So with that as support, prices are trying to reverse, prices are trying to, and now only bullishness. If you consider here, I will only recommend you to wait for 32.10 levels to be taken in order to confirm the buys. But if you see it is staying above 31.80, now you can buy. Expect 32, 32.10 and then 32.30 and 32.50 levels very, very soon. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD also has. When you see the RSI, it is almost running flat on the 2 hour. Now, if you look at the 2 hour charts, let me show you something. See, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. If you connect the lows here, you will find this is how it has been trading, and this is definitely a bullish channel. So now, from the current levels, silver can bounce back, and this rise can be very, very strong, where it can directly lend towards 30 to 50 or 30 $3 levels. Now see what has happened. A very good support of base is now created at 3160, 3150 zone. So now once it trades above 3180, you can buy. Expect 32, 32.10 to be taken, 32.25, 30 the next, and then 32.50 the third. Beyond 32.50, direct lending is towards 32.85, 33. Stochastic at bottom here. MACD also has crossed over, trading with divergence in bearishness. RSI running flat here. On the 3 hour, now on the 3 hour charts here, similar observation here. See, higher lows are seen for the last three candles, and now once it trades above 3180, we can expect more rise, and there is a possibility that it can in fact break this flag formation, where breaking beyond 3210 is where you can say that the bulls are waiting, and you can look forward to 3225, 30, and in fact 3250 or higher levels. See what has happened. Look at the formation. The charts are speaking on its own. What has happened here now? It is waiting for a breakout. At the same time, a drop below 3150, 3140 is a certainly bearish sign. Do not miss this fact. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. But this crossover has been seen from a slightly lower levels itself. It can still achieve further high, so I'll wait for a reversal confirmation. RSI has dropped, coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, retracement towards 20 period, and again retracing towards 20 period, prices are trying to reverse. So possibility is there that it may try to stay above 3150 and 40 levels and stay bullish from here. Let's see if it breaks out beyond 3210, which should be the only confirmation of reversal. Stochastic at bottom. See, MACD here has also crossed over. This is again a bearish sign. It is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is trading bearish. RSI has dropped, coming to daily chart. Now, when you see the daily chart, see, first of all, the yesterday's candle was a possible reversal, but and today it has started from the double top levels. Thus, it is very, very important for silver to trade above 3210 and 32.25, 30 zone. This is the only zone above which you can say now the bulls are back, because see, this will be the tail, and then silver is going to deliver a massive move, taking it till towards 32.85, 33. Possibility exists. Stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. MACD rising, RSI is comfortable. So looking at, you can buy silver here at 3180 levels. Expect 32, 32.10. First target zone 32.25, 32nd, and then 32.50 levels. Beyond this, 32.85, 33 should be there very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry only and only if it trades below 3140. Till 3140, do not sell silver. Below 3140 is where slight bearishness towards 3115, 31, and then 3080 levels. If at any point of time silver trades below 3080, consider that as a crash is making, and we can look forward to a greater correction here. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.